and welcome back. So for today's tutorial, we're going to make an exploding gift box. Wow, this is going to be fun. Come on, let's get started. You're going to need 3 boxes. You're going to take box number 1. So you're going to take our box that we have and our Exacto knife, and you're going to cut right here inside the box on the seam. Being very careful, so I'm going to take it. I'll make sure that it comes all the way through. And I'm going to cut. Okay. Okay. You're going to do that on all 4 sides. Now, I always cut away from me, just for safety purposes. Give myself a nice little distance just to make sure I don't cut myself. Okay? Once you do that, you're going to open it up. You're going to bend it a little bit, bend it back, so that when it explodes, it can open up. Then you're going to repeat that on your other 2 boxes. I'll be right back. Okay, now that I have all my boxes cut out, one of the things I'm going to put in my box is my picture of me and my husband. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out these pictures. Now, pictures are optional. You might want to put money. You can roll up money. You can put candy. I'm going to put some candy as well. But it's up to you what you would like to put on there. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out these 4 pictures, and I'll be with you in a minute. Be right back. Okay, so now I've cut out my pictures and I've cut out my boxes. I got my hot glue gun warming up. So one of the first things I want to do is I want to go ahead and hot glue the boxes inside of each other. So I'm going to take the hot glue gun. I'm going to line it up. Stick it down. I'm going to repeat this process. So don't be like me. I'm a little messy. I accidentally went on the side a little bit, but that's okay because that will dry. And I'll get that extra glue off. It has dried and I'm peeling it right on off. Okay, so now as you can see, I glued it all down. So when I pull these up, I can go ahead and pull the small one up, the medium-sized one, and the large. And the lids fit right on top. All you do is you hold the 4 corners and you put the lids right on top. Okay? All right, so I'm going to take the top one off because we are actually going to put all our goodies on here. So I'm going to take this first one. I'm going to take a picture of me and my husband. So what you're going to do is you're going to measure this inside. I measured it was approximately 5 inches tall and 5.5 wide. Okay, so I'm going to take this. I didn't want it that wide. I got some double-sided tape. And I'm put this exactly in the middle where I want it. And I'm gonna do the other side. So it's up to you if you want to put pictures on here, or if you just want to put all candy or money. It's up to you. I like me, and I love him, so I figured we could put each other on there. How about that? Once I put that on there, I'm going to turn this around. I'm going to give me a Hershey bar. Put some double-sided tape on this Hershey bar. I got a bin full of candy over here. I just want to measure, make sure that, yep, that looks good. All right, now I'm going to open up my second box. On this layer, I'm going to take my pictures again. And all you're doing is you're layering whatever you would like on the inside of your explosion box. Now for me, I'm just making a candy explosion box. You can put whatever you would like in here. I think I'm gonna put a couple of Butterfingers. He's a Snicker kind of guy. I'm gonna move this over just a little bit because I'm gonna put a payday in the middle because I'm a payday kind of girl. Make sure, yep. All right, looks good. So I'm gonna do the other side right here. All you're doing is putting double-sided tape on here. Laying it right on top. Just like that. Now, because I have room on the sides, if I would like to, I can take a couple of Hershey Kisses. I can put them on the side if I would like. Yep, looks good. I'm gonna put a little glue. Just a little dot of hot glue right there. On the bottom. That looks good. Now, I was just showing you, you could use hot glue if you would like on the packages because it's not going to touch the candy. But it's totally up to you. You could use hot glue or double-sided tape. All right, I'm going to open this one up. Now, this is our final one. I think I put a couple of airheads. Only thing I don't like about the hot glue is it's kind of stringy sometimes. I'm gonna put an airhead right here. Put an airhead on this side. Put some Tootsie Rolls in the middle. Put an airhead right here. Uh-oh, need a little bit more tape. Oh, I didn't stick it down too well. I think I put a watermelon, another watermelon on the other side. I got some Tootsie Rolls and I put a couple of, I'll fill that up. And I'm just gonna take this and put the lid on top. I'm gonna take this. Oh, the Hershey Kisses made it a little tight for you to close it up. So we just got a few Hershey Kisses at the top. Now let's see if it'll close. Yes, no problem. So you just have to remember when you're doing this, it has to fit in the box with the lid on it. So you don't want to overstuff it like I just did. So if we want to, we could take these same Hershey Kisses and put it at the bottom or the top of this, but I'm just going to leave that alone. We're going to go ahead and put the top on here. There's two options. Option one, you could just take off the top lid and have the ultimate reveal. And this is option two. They can take off the top lid, and then the second one, and then the third one. Yes. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you try this exploding box, let me know. Well, see you next time. Bye for now.